The Govee car LED lights offer a captivating way to enhance the ambience of your vehicle's interior. With smart app control, users can easily manage the RGB lighting to create a personalized atmosphere that complements any driving experience. The lights are user-friendly and can be controlled via a dedicated smartphone app, allowing for seamless adjustments from the convenience of your seat. One of the standout features of these LED lights is the DIY mode, which empowers users to customize colors and effects to their liking. This flexibility ensures that whether you're set for a vibrant party vibe or a calming drive, you can adjust the lighting to match your mood. Additionally, the music mode elevates the experience further by synchronizing the lights with your favorite tunes, providing a dynamic visual display that reacts in real time to the beat of the music. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the two-line design that fits effortlessly into various car setups.